Okay, today another short how-to video. How to add a new user to the computer without adding it with a Microsoft account. Okay, so left click on your start and go to the settings and then accounts. Come down to family and other people and then add someone else to this PC. They'll ask you for an email or a telephone. You will skip that and go to I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then they will ask you to create an account, and you skip that as well, and then you will go to add a user without a Microsoft account. Type in the new name for the user. Alright, and then if you wanted to, as you can see that this is the new user is a local account. If you wanted to give this person administrator rights, you would have to go to change account type, and here you can select administrator. Okay, and that's it. Simple, easy way to add a new user to the computer without a Microsoft account with administrator rights. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always a fix.